Okay, so for this, right, when I first bought it, this was actually broken. Broken in the sense of all the connectors were broken, right? So, even though the light was working perfectly, we could do one of two things. We could buy a whole new enclosure, or we could attempt to do our own brackets. I bought the bracket kit on eBay, but unfortunately it takes forever to come. So what I've done was I bought these, which are just, regular from any kind of a hardware store, right? I shaved off the edges where it was broken off. I attach it to here, and then of course, I then attach it to the original bolts that it has. Technically, this has 4 connectors. Unfortunately, because of these angles, I can't use these, or I can't even use the flat ones, right? So I've locked these 2 down. So in essence, this isn't going anywhere, okay? Before it was just barely hanging on. So at least it's a lot better than what it was. When the other things come in, I will actually attempt to try to do the same exact thing with the real ones. But worst case scenario, I think this is fine the way it is. It's a lot better than spending, what is it, $500 each side for an OEM version versus $300 and something for like third-party stuff. But even a third party, I see some of the reviews that are, good or bad. This one is at least, I salvaged what I have already. I just need to clean off all that tape that people attempted to do on it. That's it.